Hi, I'm Kathy Mary. They call me Kathy Miracle because I came here like a long time ago, over 15 years ago, and I was coughing and coughing and coughing and coughing and coughing. And I went to all the doctors, I had all the x-rays, and I went to Mayo, and I was still coughing and coughing and coughing. And I saw an article in the paper. And so I came to Dr. Troyer's Upper Cervical Care, put your head on straight, turn on the lights care clinic. And I came one time and the cough was gone. And they called me Kathy Miracle ever since then. And so I'm so happy to be here. I stopped coming for a little while. My cough came back, cough came back, cough came back. My mom said, "You get back there to that clinic right now. I know they can do it because they are a conduit of God's power." And that's why I'm here. Amen.